Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Pisces. I'll be picking few cards from this deck for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for what your person feels about this connection. And at last, I'll be giving the angel guidance message, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Pisces. Pisces, with these cards, I feel your person is coming with a commitment, guys. They want to be there in this relationship. They are feeling very dedicated to you. They are feeling very responsible in this relationship. Maybe for some of you all, you may be signing some important what to say agreements, some kind of legal agreements, some financial investments, something of that sort, guys. And or in your personal life, you like this person a lot, you are definitely going towards them. This may be your energy or this may be your person's energy towards this connection, guys. They want to come towards you, spend quality time with you, have a great relationship with you, and they want to get committed in this relationship, guys. Maybe for some of you all, this may be twin flame soulmate connection, guys. Someone like you feel you fit this person exactly. You have that kind of compatibility in this relationship. This person feels they are really happy to be in this connection, guys. Maybe they are happy with your reputation, your ideas, status, that may be your social status, so something of that sort, guys. And they want to spend time with you. Maybe you're spending time with them, you're celebrating your connection, you're going out with your friends to some party, some kind of communal activities also. So that is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up for what your person feels about this connection and about you. With these cards, I feel your person is feeling the brunt of the burdens, guys. This responsibility. They are feeling burden, guys. Maybe they may be sick, or they may just be tired. So some kind of what to say they have some kind of suffering because they feel their time and energy is being wasted, guys. Or maybe they have low confidence. They may be intimidated by your status, by your success, maybe something of that sort. But they are loyal to you, but they feel you are also loyal to them, you are devoted to them, but they still have this kind of a slight misunderstanding. Okay, they have this they lack confidence in this relationship, so they feel something is what to say draining their energy. uh, Even though they have this good vibration with you, they feel you are devoted to them, you love them a lot, they feel some kind of stress. I don't know, maybe that may be due to the burdens of this relationship, or maybe they are intimidated by your success, by your status, your position in life, social status maybe. So something is bothering them, guys. So let us see what the angels are guiding us to do today. What is the angel's message today regarding this relationship? Trust the flow. So today the angels are what to say, asking us to just understand that each and every one of us have a divine purpose, guys. In life we have a different life purpose, and we evolve spiritually each and every day through what we face in life, through our experiences. So we need to understand that that unique purpose of our life, for what we are here, and we just need to understand certain things for how they are unfolding, guys. So some things we need to control, and some things we just need to let go. So when you do that, you will be able to understand that whatever happens is happening according to a divine plan, guys. So it will help us to evolve ourselves every day. So that is the angel's guidance, guys. So you need to allow yourself to trust whatever is coming into your life and invite the changes happily. So that is the angel's guidance message for you all, Pisces. That is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Pisces. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.